Hi class, so I'm going to show you how to do week 4, part 4 of our Little Red Riding Hood unit. So we're in our Google Classroom, you're going to click on classwork, and you're going to scroll down to the English part, Little Red Riding Hood English, and you're going to find Flipgrid, Little Red Riding Hood part 4. You're going to click on that and read the instructions. So it says, go to this Flipgrid site, find Little Red Riding Hood Stories English. This link should take you directly there. So you're going to create a 2 to 5 minute video talking about your story. Remember to talk about the beginning, middle, and end. So this story is going to be about your favorite story that you found in your explore part. So you're going to talk about the beginning, the middle, and end. This part right here, beginning, middle, and end, is very important. I really want you guys to stress what was in the beginning of the story, what was in the middle of the story, and how the story ended. So it should take about 2 to 5 minutes. You shouldn't have to go over that time, but I really want you to try to get to that 2-minute mark. It's okay if you don't, but that's our goal, is to try to get to that 2-minute mark or past it if you need that time. So you can use English or Spanish, whatever language you're most comfortable in, as always. And then you're going to respond to 2 other classmates that had different stories than you. So the title of your Flipgrid, when you're done creating it, it'll ask you for a title. I would like you to put the title of the book that you worked on, or of the story that you're going to be talking about. So that way you can find other classmates that had different stories for you to respond to. So let's see what that link looks like when we click on it. So it says Little Red Riding Hood Stories Eng for English because it wouldn't let me write all of English. And here are the instructions again. So you will click record a response and talk for about 2 minutes of your favorite story that you found, and you should talk about the beginning, the middle, and the end. Once you are done with that, you can find 2 other classmates that had different stories and respond to them, and then you're good to go for the week. If you have any questions, remember you can email me.